Well, hello. So I decided to use a webcam to make things interesting, I guess. So this is me, and today we are going to look at Black Forest Labs Flux tools, which is designed for enhancing and controlling basically the image generation. I think the Black Forest Labs will eventually come up with their own comfy UI kind of setup. We are going to talk about some tools, not some tools, just I'm just going to talk about Redux, and I've made a workflow for you to try it out, I guess. And yep. So as you can see, there are a bunch of tools here. I know I'm late for this, but I don't have time. I'm not getting much time to create workflows and experiment with the workflows or tools because of course I need to make money and pay my bills also. So, yeah, this is what we are going to talk about today. This is the thing, Flux Redux. So, what is Flux Redux? As you already know, I guess, by now, by looking at other videos, that it is similar to IP adapter, giving style, composition, and everything, and it just copy that into your image generation. And there are some images as an examples here. As you can see, there are two like almost similar, I would say, a photographic style to a cartoonish anime kind of style, but everything in the image you can see it here. This is good. I mean, I like it. So you can just say anime and it will transfer the details into an anime. A frog here with the hat on. I don't know why, but and he's sitting in there in a wicker basket top. I don't know, whatever that is. And this is the output with the Redux. As you can see, the same details, colors, and everything is same. There are some obviously the chair is different and the uh, hat is also a bit different colors, but everything is almost same. So yeah, this is also good. I was seeing this and it was very like I like the output more because they are like soft shadows, soft sun rays, and these are detailed, much more detailed than this. So I like this because I'm also a 3D artist, 3D designer, architectural visualizer, blah, blah. So this is this tool will come in handy because this is I can generate variations without you know changing much in the software. I can just change details by this, and if the client likes it, I can just change the details afterwards. So yeah, this is good. I mean, I can use this tool for the for visualization also. And this is another example, a very good example, like converting into the anime kind of cartoon sketch, pen sketch. Uh, Details are like similar. Everything is similar. The composition, the pose is similar. The background is also similar, but a bit different. But you can say if I just give it a single look, like for a second, it seems like it's the same picture. And there's a duck also with uh, leather jacket, nice leather jacket, and with the cap. And as you can see, there's a style difference, but everything is same. The clothes is same, the duck is same, obviously, and everything. Color of you will see some variations, obviously, but everything will be same almost, right? Yeah, that's it. So nothing uh, too much here. Let's see how you can install it in your comfyui and create a workflow. You can use it. Okay, so this is Flux Redux. Let's go to the Hugging page. As you can see, there are some like scores and everything, image generation. I use SDXL for in painting and everything, but also I use IP Raptor for style transfer and everything. There's a tool, a mad scientist, uh, Mateo explained it very well. So you can check that out also if you want to, if you don't want to go to Flux and use SDXL, you can go check that out. SDXL image variation, you can see this on the page. I will link this. Obviously, files and versions, they are, you can download. The good thing is it's a 129 MB only. It's not too much on your storage device. Okay, so you have to download this, and you have to download encoder, the clip vision. This you can download from there, you can download from here, because it's already been renamed, so you don't have to. So I'll link both in the description, okay, for your convenience, I guess. Okay, download these, and you have to put this in, go to comfyui directory, go to models, and there will be a folder named style model. Just go there and paste it here. Flux Redux, you're going to paste it here, and clip vision, go to clip vision in the model, comfyui models in clip vision, and paste it here. So clip vision patch 14384 for Flux. All right, and that's it. You're good to go. And then there is let's go to workflow. Okay, this is the workflow that I made. Okay, I have already done a image. I generated an image already, because it takes a lot of time, obviously, because I'm using Flux. This is the workflow. Okay, I am not using the original style model which comes with the workflow, or which basically people use. I'm using a style model adjusted. It's by Shmuel Ronin. You can download this. I'll link this into description also, and you can download it from there. What it does is, from 0 to 0.2 or 0.3, basically it will follow the prompt more than the image. Okay, this is the image that I'm using. As you can see, I have downloaded from the Civit AI, because there are a lot of images here. I can just use for my examples of generation to show you. As you can see, a black kitty in a retro spaceship wearing a spacesuit. So this is the prompt that I'm using. A very small prompt, not a very detailed one. So we're going to use a detailed one also. So this is the prompt, and this is the image. So I'm using a 0.2 strength in apply style model. So it's following the prompt, and as you can see, this is the result. It's in the spacesuit, a kitty, a black kitty. And as you can see, the style is similar, right? There are more the lighting bolt is coming here. Cat is holding a jar, which is same like this, and everything is same almost, like, right? You can increase the strength like 0.25, 0.3, but 0.3 to 0.5 or 0.6, it will balance the two images and prompt both. So this is good. You can balance it from 0.3 to 0.6, and after 0.6 to 1, the Redux will follow image more and decrease the strength of prompt by itself. Okay, so this is what's happening. Very simple workflow. In another video, I'm going to show you how to use this comfy advanced Redux control. This is another node, custom node, which uses Redux, but it gives you more control. You can use multiple images. Create a video later for this, and let's just go to the original workflow. So simple, let me just show you what is happening here. So I'm using a clip vision loader. So clip, just refresh it by clicking R, typing R, or clicking R on a keyboard. It will refresh all the models. You have to use clip vision, and then clip vision encode, clip vision, and the load style model. You just search it by double click and load style model. Here you go, config core, and then use Flux 1 Redux for that. And then you have to go to, you have to use apply style model adjusted. Okay, if you go apply style model after installing it, if you want to install it, like if you don't know how to install it, you can just go to manager. You don't have to copy and git clone it. Go to custom nodes and search for apply style model adjust. It's here. Okay, just install it. Shmuel Ronin, install it, and you're good to go. And oh, restarted. Okay, restart it, then you can get the custom node in your directory. So this is it. Just connect the nodes, and strength you can use, I already told you. I will write it down here so you can use it easily. Flux guidance, I'm using flux guidance to for giving the prompt guidance, obviously strength. I'm using key sampler. You can use sampler custom advanced also. It's up to you. I was using actually pull ID with this, and pull ID doesn't work with this. There are some problem with that. You have to reset it or downgrade it, the pull ID version. If you updated your comfyui, you have to downgrade it to use pull ID with this. So that's another tip, I guess. So yeah, pretty much same. Everything is same. You already know how to do this. 8 steps. One Euler simple. I'm not using dice or beta. 1024 by 1024, and yeah. So I'm using connected. I connected clip text encode to flux guidance. I'm using 3.5. Not too much because it will burn the image, I guess. So condition to apply style model is just a conditioning, and then mean condition to this is, I was experimenting before, like how to use the apply style model, the original one by, I forgot the name. So I was using how to control the prompt and image strength. So I came up with this text guidance and image guidance, the basically timestamp. So how much time should I give to the prompt, and then the generation will the image style transfer will come after. So that was everything. It was doing fine, but this is also good. Like it's already doing my job without doing all of this crazy thing, I guess. So yeah, pretty much same, and you can see the results. Obviously, we'll do 2-3 more style transfers, and that's it. Let's just go to Civet AI and find something that is, let's use this image. Okay, you can just copy. I love this. You can just drag and drop and you will get the image here. Should I keep the kitty? Let's just a black kitty in a yellow raincoat. Where in the market? Let's see what happens. I'm still using 0.2 strength, not we'll scale this also. Okay, let's see, and I will cut here so because you won't wait. So as you can see, it follows the prompt very beautifully because I said a cat and the yellow raincoat, and the market is also behind, but it has the color of this too. You know, the blue, you can see the pose is also the same and is holding to into something. So this is what it does to the image when you're using 0.2 strength. Let's see if I crank this up to 0.6 or 0.5. Let's see how it balances these two things together. Here you go. The style is prominent, as you can see, right? There's no sign of kitty. You can see a yellow jacket, some sort of, but there is no kitty or anything. Yeah, 0.5, and let's do one with the guidance increase. Like let's do 7. Let's see if it does something to the image or not. One more time. As you can see, it's better, right? We're getting that result that we were looking for. And hooray! There you go. So what you can do is just bump up the flux guidance. It will balance it, but the prompt will be going through the flux guidance strength, and it will give the prompt prominent space to just create that image first and then apply the style later. So this is a basic workflow. Let's do one more. Okay, Yeah, this is good. Hyperrealism anime type in the sky. I don't know. Let's see. I think I noticed it's taking the whole thing like in the same manner. Like the position, the pose is good, but the composition of the image is also the same. There is no, I mean, the cat is looking up, everything is the same. Let's see what it does to a unicorn, because this is a character, not a animal. I mean, this is a human, not an animal. Let's see. Well, I'm getting nothing here. As you can see, it's this is replicating the whole image here. So it's not doing anything. Let me just go to point one. I think it will convert it in the later stage, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, well, it has the same style, I would say, a bit of third dimensional. You can just play with the strength, and I already told you, like, experiment with the strength. All right, so that's it for today, and see you in the next one. I will show you um, uh, the Redux control, advanced Redux control, and we'll see what we can do with this custom node. Okay. Meanwhile, experiment with this, and if you create something, if you can, tag me. All right, you will find the workflow in the description. Bye bye.